Alright. Alright guys, I got my little gauge tester box hooked up here. Got one end of one of the power probe accessories plugged in there. Positive onto that. Negative onto the grounding strap of the sending unit. And it's unplugged from there obviously. And need to make this cord a little bit longer, but you're going to be able to get the idea of what we're doing here. Gauge is reading empty right now, and that's on 74 ohms or 73 ohms, depending on what your model is. If you turn this thing down to medium, watch this gas gauge go down here. Slow going, but we'll see how it goes when it gets there. Half is at 23 ohms. It's getting there, getting there. Alright, so that's pretty damn close to half there. I'm gonna let it settle out. Make sure it's totally at half. And like I said before, this potentiometer is real sensitive, so 23 is more like that's about 23. So then I'm going to turn it down to 10 ohms, which is actually at 11 on this guy. And that's going to go up to full. It takes a second on these old gauges to get there. And that's it, it's on full there. So I know the gauge works. I'm pretty sure the fuel sending unit is what's out on this thing. So we're still on full. You saw it was full. Go back down to 23 for, or what says in the manual, HML. And that's what it is. If you can use this for your fuel gauge, you can use it for your temperature gauge or your oil sending unit, charging. You can test all your gauges with this thing. Waiting for it to creep back down to half. At half there. Okay. And that's 23 ohms. I'm going to move it to empty, which on this thing is about 65. I checked it with the multimeter, and my multimeter is not that great, honestly. As you can see, it's going down to empty now. But the fact that the gauge is responding to the different resistance means it's working. Takes forever on these old gauges for them to move. And that's at 73, 74 ohms. Mine says 74 in the book, so that's what I'm going with. Plus or minus 12 ohms, honestly, is what it says on there. So I know the gauge is working. I'm pretty sure it's the fuel sending unit on this thing. But the gauge tester does work, so if you guys want to build one, check out that other video where I built it. Thanks for watching.